The range of SaferOptions destruction kits each hold a water-soluble sachet containing our destruction formula. Our new formula has been scientifically proven to destroy morphine molecules 100% in 24 hours, opposed to existing formulas on the market that are 98 to 99% in 48 hours. These water-soluble sachets activate once water is added, causing the mixed contents to solidify within just a few minutes. Our instructions for use are uniform across the product range and are clearly stated on the product label on each kit. Controlled drug destruction kits can be used with tablets, powder, and liquids. The kit should be filled up to no more than half its capacity with the controlled drug substance to be destroyed. Once drugs have been added, fill with water to almost the top of the container. After filling to capacity with water, replace the lid and ensure it's securely tightened. Carefully shake to mix the contents, which will then start to solidify. Leave for a few minutes until the contents have completely solidified. Note: for ampoules, break open to expose the contents to ensure the kit's effectiveness. For patches, tear apart to expose the drug. Once the contents have been destroyed, dispose of the kit in line with your pharmaceutical waste management policies. Talk to our sales team to find out more information.